Well, I'm back. I just ordered me one of these Airhawk Pro automatic cordless tire inflators. Always having to air up a tire, air up a soccer ball or football or something, and sometimes it's a real pain in the rear to have to pull out the big air compressor just to inflate something. So I ordered this, cut it off Amazon. It was around, I don't know, $46, $47. You've seen this. This is the one you've seen on TV. So I thought I would just do a quick unboxing and we're going to test it out. I'm not going to give you a whole bunch of technical features on it, but you want to just know if it works or not, and that's what I want to know. So let's take it out of the box and see what it looks like. Well, looks like we got some kind of little owner's manual here. Kind of tells about it. Yeah, there's a nice case to keep it in. That looks pretty nice. And there's what it looks like. It's about the size of a cordless drill, actually. Looks like it's got a needle here to air up your balls, and also, I don't know if you want to air up an air mattress or something. That looks like a little old connector for that. And here's a battery here. It's just a regular battery. It just fits on the bottom like so. It also got this one right here. That's actually not a battery. That's notice that it's got cord that you can actually just plug this in, and you can plug it into your cigarette lighter, and you won't have to worry about the battery or being charged. Well, it looks like the charger to charge your battery. And looks like we got a little, there's the air nozzle. Let's see how that goes on there. Looks like it just slips right on there. Yep, that's the way it goes. So, and it looks like you got a gauge in the back that tells you the tire pressure or ball pressure, whichever you're using. See a light right here. So let's go test it out and see if it works. Let's go. Well, as you can see here, I got a empty soccer ball. I'm just gonna turn it on, see about how long it takes to inflate it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my needle out. Just put it right in here, just screws right in. And put my glasses on. And there's the little hole. Alright, there's a lock and an unlock switch right here, so I'm going to unlock it. Wow, that probably didn't take 10 seconds. That thing's hard as a rock. Might have to let some out, actually. I'd say it works great on a soccer ball. Let's go try it on a tire. Well, as you can see, my next test is going to be to air up this trailer tire. As you can see, it's completely flat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set the timer on my phone. I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to see exactly how long it actually takes to air this up to 32 pounds. I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing. I'll speed it up or edit it a little bit, but I'll show you exactly how long it takes. Before I start, they did recommend that I charge this battery before I use it, so I did plug it in and use it. It just fits together just like this. So what it says is just unscrew it. Then we want to screw the nozzle on. Just like so. You have a lock and an unlock, so I've got it in the unlocked position. Alright, let me get my timer set. Alright, I'm fixing to hit the start button on my timer and pull the trigger on the Airhawk, and let's see how long it takes. as you can see, I'm at 32 pounds. I'm at 7 minutes and 21 seconds. Let me let you look here at the gauge. All right, there's a quick look at the gauge, what it looks like, showing 32 pounds. Well, personally, you probably are not going to be completely flat like that, but if you are, 7.5 minutes, you should be able to air it up. I know somebody's going to ask me what size tire this is. It's a 185 70R14. Honestly, for a little air compressor like this, I thought it performed very well. I'm definitely going to put this in my pickup, so if I'm stranded somewhere, I can air up a tire right quick, or hey, I can always air up a soccer ball or football if we need to do that too. So I hope this little demonstration helped you out, give you a little insight on what it's all about. So if it did, give me a thumbs up. Hey, subscribe to my channel. Love to have you as a subscriber. Till next time, catch you later.